I'm Karthik. I'm speaking on behalf of Indian Textile Journal. So, in this series of video interviews, we have selected Ideal Group as one of the companies. To start, I just want to know a brief introduction about the company, very briefly.
Okay, thank you, Karthik. Ideal Industries basically is into the manufacturing of spinning machinery. This company actually started way back about more than 6 decades before, and it's presently headed by Mrs. Kushi Palkiwala, and we are extremely good team to work together. We are operating from Ahmedabad and covering, I think, more or less the entire globe as a market. So as far as our products are concerned, we are manufacturing the spinning machinery components and the parts like spinning tubes, simplex bobbins, tai chis, cones, bobbin holders, which remains as one of our flagship product. We are manufacturing a lot of machinery parts like lafayette hooks, spring buttons, and spindle buttons, and so many other components for the machinery makers.
Okay. So, what are the distinguishing characteristics of these products which you just mentioned?
See, actually, as an organization, we are focused on the product which really requires sort of a precision and some sort of an uniqueness in designing. So to be honest, we are not really into a commodity products. So these are all high precision engineering products which requires a high level of tolerances. So we have confined ourselves to manufacturing of this type of components, and we are doing this quite successfully with such a good experience and good team. We have been successful in doing this.
Okay. So, how do you think is the company meeting the challenges of the market demands today?
I think it's too early to talk about today market demand because the demands unfortunately are not known. We are under this attack of COVID. But I can say one thing very clearly that we have many other markets apart from India, and many of the markets are still working. So we are able to manage very well with the demand from other countries also.
Okay, so you are saying that Indian market is closed, but the foreign market is open for your company?
Yeah, see, I'll tell you honestly, like what we did in last few years is, textile industry is known for the ups and downs. The sine wave, where you are basically not aware of the amplitude and the wavelength of the curve, and to reduce that fluctuation in our demand forecasting, we are focused a lot on developing other products. So instead of depending on only one product, I think we have focused on exports. And I'm very happy that last year, probably out of the total sales, almost 50% was for the exports. So that actually helps us to balance out the equation.
So which are your stronger export markets right now?
I think a lot, but to begin with, I'll say Bangladesh, Uzbekistan, Indonesia, Vietnam. These are the main, and when I talk about the volume wise, I think these are very, very strong markets for us where we also have a very good market share. But apart from them, we are also into the Mexico and Egypt. Also, we are supplying to some other African countries. So there are many markets we are actually, but focus markets will be Indonesia, Vietnam, Bangladesh, Uzbekistan. Yes.
So during these times, like during COVID, which countries are you exporting to right now?
Presently, we have very good demand from Bangladesh, Uzbekistan, and Indonesia.
Okay, very good.
And of course, also Mexico. we have few projects also in Mexico.
So to cater to these demands, are the production facilities still working, or you're managing it through, like, you have enough stock with it?
No, actually, all our products are made to order. Let's be very clear. As I said, we are into engineering products, and which requires a different type of customization and precision. So all our products are basically made to order. We don't keep anything as a stock, and then we can supply. Uh, yeah, and definitely there are a lot of restrictions for working, but we are fortunate that we could start our operations because we really have a lot of orders for exports, and government was kind enough to consider that our request to allow us to manufacture for the export market.
Right.
We are working, but you know, I mean, apart from just getting a normal approval, there are many limiting factors also. For example, the transport is not available. The people, it's not easy for the people to commute and reach to the factory. And we are inside the municipal corporation limit of Ahmedabad, so the restrictions are in fact much more. But even with that, we are trying to fulfill all the government requirement. We are taking care of social distancing, sanitization, and everything. And we are trying to load up our factory to maybe around 30 to 40% of the capacity.
Very, very good to hear. So,
Thank you.
as you know, modernization and automation is increasing across industries. What is the
Yes.
significance of this for Ideal Group?
Absolutely. Without modernization, I mean, for us, modernization is very, very essential. When I say that when I want to produce the precision components, I need the type of machines for that. For example, I mean, there are many molding machines available in the market. There are many people who are manufacturing also in India. But the type of tolerances we are looking at it, we don't get that technology in India. So we are buying these machines from either Germany or from Japan.
Right.
Okay, so modernization is definitely most important thing for us. Without modernization, I can't deliver the quality what I am looking at it. We need to have that quality. We need to have high production. And apart from that, also I have to see that my dependence on the work, the workers is less, so that I get a consistent quality also. With the automation and modernization, I'm able to make that consistency. So and even the machines also for that precision. Most of our molding machines and even tool machines are from Germany or Japan. So modernization, without modernization, I think nobody can survive today. Actually.
Okay, right. So, do you think that similar and cheaper products are hurting your industry? Or do you think the government intervention is needed to stem the cheap import?
It's a good question, actually, but I will not blame government for this reason, because I believe that whatever the situation, I think we need to be competitive enough. We need to have that quality or technology to manufacture the product, and we should not worry too much about the competition, because competition is going to be, when I am going to almost say 15-20 countries outside for exports of my product. So how can I say that the other products or the Chinese products should not come to India? They will also come. The important thing is I need to have a better quality than my competition, and I need to give timely deliveries, good service support, and also at affordable price. Okay, so I need to be competitive in all the respects. I can't work with a lot of fats on my body, actually. And as you said, I was also about to tell you that when you say modernization and automation, automation is also equally important. But I still feel that we are not we are evaluating the need for automation. We are doing an optimum automation, not that we are just going for a robotic and all, because we have to see that there is a lot of cost pressure also on us. The market demands good product, quality product, but also at a lower price or competitive price. So we have to balance it. It's not I mean, that robotization is it costs us actually.
So, are you planning to diversify into any other products right now?
As far as diversification is concerned, yes, there definitely. See, number one, what we were into, we have a lot. As I said, we have a lot of products. So last year we undertook some assignments of product rejuvenation. During ITMA Barcelona, we introduced our new HIG spinning tube, which has received a tremendous and overwhelming response in the market. Rather, this new HIG spinning tube, they are also approved by most of the OEMs, and they made it as a standard supply. Similarly, we also introduced new Ultratech lappet hooks, which we are supplying to some of OEMs, and this has extremely, I mean, it's a very special finish given to it, which can be used even at 22,000 RPM without any special training in process. So that type of product remediation we did last year. Now we were just about to launch our new Millennium series bobbin holders. That's another very interesting product actually. I mean, it was our flagship product, and we have given, I mean, further improvise this with even better material, better braking assembly, and so many other features. So we will be introducing this immediately after the lockdown is lifted. So these are the existing products, but apart from that, we do have some ideas of for the new products which we are going to introduce, but I think it's too early to say on that.
Absolutely. Uh, Now, my next few questions will be all relating to COVID and its impact. So, as you know,
Yeah.
it has been more than 45 days now since the lockdown. How it has impacted the business, and what are your expectations from the government?
Oh, I think the impact on the business, if the entire world is almost under lockdown, so there's definitely a good impact on the business also. I think it's almost a month the production was closed, and most of our OEMs are also not manufacturing. The machines are also not being manufactured. So there is impact on in the short term. I think I expect that even on another quarter, I think likely to be slow and sluggish. But that's okay. I mean, we have to accept the fact that it's something which nobody could visualize also, and we'll have to use this opportunity to further strengthen our products, further strengthen our systems and processes, and I think we should be ready for the next boom, which is likely to come very shortly,
Yeah.
and that's what I'm
So,
looking at it.
so what kind of challenges are you anticipating when you resume your business post lockdown?
In fact, challenges can be classified. Maybe one is that within the factory and outside the factory. So, for example, when I say about within the factory, we have already prepared ourselves right from sanitization for the workers, the social distancing. We have done a lot of markings, and we have ensured every worker that they are not supposed to transfer anything from one person to other. And I mean, the smallest hint we say that please consider the next person besides you, anybody whosoever it may be, that he is a carrier of the COVID. If you feel that, then automatically you are going to have that social distancing, and then everybody is going to be safe. And that mantra we are adopted in our factory, apart from using the gloves, masks, and sanitization and other social distancing wherever it's possible, even in the assembly shop. But yes, beyond that, so there are many factors which are affecting the things, because the transportation for the employees is still a big issue. Although the government is helping industry to reopen, but there is not adequate clarity on transportation of the employees. So a lot of people are still scared of, I mean, their families are scared of sending them to the workplaces, because you don't know who is going to catch on the way and what is going to happen. So there is
So
a lot of
that,
fear. So that has to be. Yes, Mr. Karthik.
yeah, there will be labor shortage will be one of the issues.
No, that is one thing. Second thing is, yeah, of course, labor shortage, because there are a lot of migrant workers. Their efficiency wise they are very good. They will definitely go back to their home for some time. But I think I'm not really seeing this as a major issue, because it's a natural process. Every summertime they go to their native places for a couple of months. So and they're definitely going to come back. You just need to have a patience. You need to be accept certain things, and you should not worry too much about it, I think so. But other than that, actually, their transportation, the transport arrangement for the goods, again, we are not getting any transport services. Forget about that. Even the couriers also, they are not effectively working. A lot of documents, the export documents are on the way. The goods are reached, but the documents could not reach because of these. So these are certain small but most important things which are affecting our business activities, and I think government should see that this support function also works efficiently, and support the industry.
Okay. So my next question will be like, have you recalibrated your growth plan due to COVID?
Honestly, I will say no. I think it's too early to discuss on that, because we are not we are yet to come out of this COVID issue. So it's too early to do that, according to me. But as I said earlier, actually, things are going to change. I mean, I will draw your attention to Maslow's hierarchy of needs pyramid. Pre-COVID era, if you look at it, most of us were in the pyramid level 2, where people were talking about the physiological needs. For example, people thinking about buying a new house or bigger house or bigger car or something like that. But post-COVID, it looks like that I think some part of the population is likely to come down into that first era of basic needs. So people are going to be worried about their jobs. People are going to be worried because there's going to be some axing of the jobs, or the salary reduction or wage reductions. Some things will happen in different industries, definitely. So I think this is a time, I think we need to be more fit. We need to see whatever the opportunity is coming. I think we should be smart to grab those opportunities. And we are preparing for that, actually.
So, Mr. Laxmikant, I'm done with my questions.
Yeah. Yeah.
Want to add anything?
No, I think that's all. I just want to say that, okay, there is a problem, but I strongly believe that this is not a permanent problem. This is a phase which is going to pass through. We are definitely going to sail through, and I personally feel that there are a lot of opportunities which will come up. A lot of European countries, Japanese companies, I think they are looking towards India as their future partners. So I'm actually quite excited, and I wish that we all. I don't want to only depend or say point a finger at government, but I think we all have to be ready with the red carpet and not the red tape.
Sure, sure, Lisa, sure. So thanks for giving us your valuable time. It's been a pleasure interacting with you. Please be safe, stay healthy. That's what. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much. Pleasure was mine. Thank you so much.